Several users over on TikTok asked us to break down the drug Adbry, which has the molecular name of Tralokinumab. This is a biologic injection, and because the drug does end in MAB, it is a monoclonal antibody. And after initial dosing, this is a self-injection that's given about every 2 weeks as a maintenance for the treatment of eczema or atopic dermatitis. Now, if we zoom in on the skin, this is actually the first barrier for our immune system to protect us from pathogens. So it's packed with different proteins, such as IL-13 or interleukin-13, that can then go on and trigger an immune response if that protection is breached. However, in patients with eczema or atopic dermatitis, their skin has an overexpression of that IL-13 protein in certain areas. And this is where it can cause those symptoms associated with the conditions. Because IL-13 will bind to the IL-13 receptor and then recruit another protein called IL-4. This complex was able to recruit the immune system to come in and destroy an infection. However, in individuals where this protein is overexpressed, that binding and recruitment of the complex is happening even without an active infection, leading to increased amounts of inflammation and redness associated with those symptoms. But this is where Adbry comes into play, because when treated with Adbry, this is able to bind directly to that IL-13 protein, essentially acting like a vacuum and not allowing that IL-13 protein to interact with the IL-13 receptor. Therefore, it can't recruit IL-4 and that complex isn't made, so we see decreased amounts of redness and inflammation associated with those symptoms. So you can almost think of Adbry acting as an interrupter of the signal between the increased amounts of IL-13 and that downstream inflammation. So let us know in the comments if you've ever taken Adbry or another drug used to treat eczema or atopic dermatitis. And if you have another science topic that you want to learn more about, let us know in the comments so we can make a video on it and stay connected to my channel and with Dane Garvin. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you're not already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel by clicking over here, and you may also enjoy this related video that I have over here. I'll see you on the next one.